Big news coming in. GRAP Stage 4 has been imposed in Delhi from Monday onwards. Complete halt on construction activities under Stage 4 of GRAP. Entry of trucks has also been banned in the national capital. Schools will be closed. Severe vehicular curbs have been put in place as the air quality in the national capital has now entered the severe plus category. Pollution curbs have been tightened as the AQI continues to dip. Going across to my colleague Milan, who's tracking this story for us. Milan, besides there being a curb on the entry of trucks and a full halt on construction activities, could you give us more details of what GRAP 4 measures will be like?
Harshit, already after the CAQM, which is the Commission for Quality of Air Management, coming out and saying that the GRAP Stage 4 has been implemented, the Delhi government has already said that they are shutting down schools for certain classes except for classes 10th and 12th at the moment. But of course, these are, knee-jerk measures that are being taken because we are looking at really horrible air quality within the national capital as well as the NCR regions of the neighboring states as well. And therefore, now stricter implementation of vehicular emissions will also be seen across the Delhi NCR region. So to the viewers, we would like to say that if your cars are not BS4 compliant, at least all those vehicles below BS4 compliance will face checkings and could be that fines could be imposed on them. Of course, trucks and other heavy motor vehicles are not going to be allowed in the Delhi region now. Construction activity has been banned. Largely, schools have been told to go on an online mode, at least in Delhi government. We're yet to hear anything from the Uttar Pradesh or the Haryana government. And of course, this time it seems that the CAQM has recommended that, state governments look at implementing other measures like odd and even, but we haven't heard anything from the Delhi government yet on whether or not they will be implementing the odd and even rationalization of cars yet. Harshit?
Appreciate your joining us, Milan, and giving us all those details. The odd and even policy that the Delhi government has so often adopted in the past still being deliberated upon. No word on that, as my colleague Milan just pointed out.